Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Salah University. Now that you have customized your mobile app, it's the time to test how it is working on your smartphones. Once done with customizations, save changes and click on Publish. A dialog box will appear asking the OS for which you want to test the app. Select from Android or iOS and click Get Your App. Click on Build History to see the status of the build. You can see it's under process. Click Preview link to see all the screens of your existing build of your mobile app. You can share the link of build across social handles. Under the build section, you will see the history of builds generated. From the published section, you can click Create to generate another build. Choose the OS and click Get Your App. You can see the changed status of your build to success. Now you can download the APK file and test the build generated for your mobile app. Moreover, you can click the preview link to see the build generated. You can scan this code to download the build generated instantly on your Android or iOS device. When you click on .apk file, you can see this QR code to directly download the app on your device. It's the time to test your app. Generate the build, download it, and test it now to publish it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Don't forget to subscribe to Builderfly Seller University and hit the bell icon to get the notification for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next tutorial.